Well, we all need coaches in our lives. We need someone in the background cheering you on. We need someone actually looking at you, telling you when you're doing something wrong. We need someone that's knowledgeable, most importantly, that can give you guidance. So it's someone that's been down that road before, been there, done that, and can actually steer and help you make decisions that will have a pretty important and positive impact on your future.
The advice that we provide at Langlois Brown is all-encompassing. Our clients come to us because they're busy with their lives and they've got concerns in regarding to their financial affairs. We take a look at everything the client has to offer. We sit back and provide advice that we feel is organized and concise and the client can follow.
The importance of being independent is to represent our clients well. By that I mean, if the accountant's doing a fantastic job, great, let's retain him. If the lawyer's doing a great job, fantastic, let's retain him. The asset manager is doing a fantastic job, great, let's retain him. If any of those legs are weak, we need to replace them. And being independent allows us to do that. Just go out and help people reassemble the team.